Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is a balm video, and I have the Balm Tinted Moisturiser, and this is in shade medium dark. So the reason why I got this one is because I'm like a light to medium skin tone, but I find with like tinted things, it's not usually dark enough. Like if you get too light, you know, it's kind of like a hard one to do, and I really wanted to try this. It does retail for... So it is kind of like an expensive tinted moisturizer if you were just using it for like a moisturizer. It has SPF 18, and then all these other technical things that I don't know what it's meaning, but I'll read the back for you. So it says, Balm, oh, I'll hold it up the right way, read it upside down. Balm Tinted Moisturizer. Designed for all skin types, this weightless, silky smooth tinted moisturizer offers lasting moisture and helps to improve the tone and texture of your skin, leaving you with a polished complexion. Apply to clean face. So what I'm going to do is, my face is nice and clean, and I'm going to apply this and apply my powder, concealer. I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm going to use this as a substitute, because I do find with tinted moisturizers it is actually quite nice to use it as a foundation, so I was kind of like a light coverage foundation. So I wonder how much it's actually gonna tint my face. So we'll give it a try, but this is the box here, and I just think the box is so cute. And yeah, so let's open her up. So I've already taken the wee seal off. So that is what it looks like there. It's just in a squeezy container. You get, dun 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 dun. So it works as a sunscreen as well, and you get 64 mils, which is 2.15 fluid ounces. So it's not a bad deal, I don't think. So if we open it up, this is the color that comes out. I'm going to put this on my face, by the way. So as you can see, it is actually pretty close to my skin tone. So the color exactly is does say that it's medium, so that's the color exactly, but it's pretty much my skin tone this is here. So what I'm going to do is just get my foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply it to my face, and yeah, we'll see. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like. So I'm just going to pat it on like so, and just kind of smush it onto my face, and we'll see how much like coverage it gets. For the first, like, it doesn't have a smell or anything, and it does feel actually very hydrating. The fact that it does have SPF in it is pretty good as well, because that means it'll like protect from the sun and work as a moisturizer and like sunscreen as well. So I don't know if you can see there that it's like covered that's on my face, but look at the difference. Like, it's actually tinted my face really well. And I think maybe that was like too much that I tried as well. I think what I'm going to do is scoop the rest on and get my handheld mirror and try and put it on my face properly, because it's definitely coloring my face. So that's actually quite nice. It's like a light coverage foundation almost. And it's not super thick. Although I'm finding if I leave it on my face to dry, it kind of feels like it's getting like a thick kind of sticky feeling. Okay, so that is my face there, and I'm just looking at like color-wise to my face, and I'm feeling like maybe it could be like a little bit too dark. I'm starting to look quite tan. It's almost like the color is changing. But yeah, it's definitely tinted my face a kind of like medium shade, but it does match my body tan. So I'm actually not that mad at it, and I normally go this dark anyway. It's just weird because even my normal foundation doesn't even put me this dark, so it's actually quite nice. But yeah, like my face does feel very soft and supple. But I think what I'll do now is put on my concealer, my foundation and everything like that, and try and cover this whole face and see how the tinted moisturizer goes on, like, you know, with the wear of the other makeup. Like, I'm actually really quite loving this. Like, I'm not that mad. Like, I feel like it looks quite nice. Like, if you just wore this on like a no makeup day, I feel like it's a nice kind of brightener. Like, it kind of like brightens up my face. Like my face looks like it's a normal color to my body, so I'm actually really impressed with the color, and I'm glad that I did get the darker one to what I would normally get. So yeah, what do you guys reckon? So what I'm gonna do now is put everything on my face and see how it goes. So now I've sealed everything in, and I'm feeling like the color is pretty much perfect. Like I am so impressed with the color, and like what do you guys think I'm wearing foundation? Like if anything, it just has softened my look and made me look more natural in my like face color. Like I am really super impressed. Like I've just put my concealer on, and then I've set it with my powder. And yeah, that's it, and I really like how it's come out. So I think now what I need to do is just put on the rest of my face, get that all sorted, and be right back. Like, look how good my face looks. I am so impressed. I'm just like, I can't stop like looking at how good my skin looks, and the fact that I'm gonna go outside in the sun and it's gonna be protecting my face from the sun. Like I'm just like I am just so super impressed. And like, yeah, it is an expensive price point for me in New Zealand. In the US it's not so much, but honestly, like I think it's worth it, because I would use this over my foundation any day. It's not super thick when it goes on, it's nice and thin. Like it does feel a bit sticky towards the end, but even now, like my face, like it literally feels like I'm not wearing anything on, and it looks like my face has so much foundation on it. Well, it doesn't look like it's got so much foundation on it, but you know what I mean? Like it looks like it's got, you know, a full face of makeup on. And I mean, I guess kind of I do, but I'm not wearing foundation, and I just can't get over that because it looks like my skin just looks like it's got foundation. I need to bring you closer so you can understand. See, like look, just look at my skin, at how good it looks. It just looks so good. So honestly, I cannot recommend this enough. I would totally recommend the Balm Tinted Moisturiser. I think that it's gone on so nicely, and I'm so happy, and I want to buy like a million more. I'm just like, oh my god, this is amazing. When it runs out, I'm definitely going to be buying another one because I think it is so good. So if you guys enjoyed it too, then let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!